easily can open up and let somebody close. No, I'm no one.
Everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haylee, and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe on my channel. I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, and all things homemaking and decorating videos. And in today's video, I'm taking down all of my winter decorations and I'm adding in my Valentine's decorations for 2024. I'm super excited to be decorating for Valentine's Day. I feel like when me and Trajan were first married, I didn't really ever decorate for Valentine's too much, but now that I have Waverly, it's so fun to change up the decorations for each season and have her just get so excited about it. So I don't go all out for Valentine's Day. I just kind of add in touches here and there. I will say by the end I ended up going a little bit more than I normally do in the living room, but I really love the way everything has turned out this year. But the first thing that I did was kind of tidy the living room up, get the toys out, and then I went ahead and cleaned this TV stand table and just added my home sign again down there. And then I added this little runner from Hobby Lobby that I got last year, and I think they maybe sell it again this year. It was super affordable. And then I'm adding this little garland to it as well that I got from Michael's last year. And then I'm gonna add this love you to the moon and back sign. I got that from TJ Maxx. And then I'm kind of leaving that the way it is now, and I will end up adding something at the very end. But now for these shelves, I'm going ahead and just taking all of the wintry stuff down, and I wasn't sure at this point if I was going to add in winter decorations or if I was going to just stick to Valentine's Day. And for the most part, I did just stick to Valentine's Day decorations. But if you don't have a ton of Valentine's Day and you're still just wanting some more filler, you could definitely add in some more winter touches. But I'm going ahead and now just going to move things around. This Always and Forever sign is from TJ Maxx, and then that pink heart is from Hobby Lobby. I'll eventually add in a love sign that's from TJ Maxx. I feel like Hobby Lobby doesn't have the best selection of Valentine's decorations. Theirs is more like crafty stuff. I feel like TJ Maxx or Ross is usually where I end up getting most of my Valentine's decorations. But I'm going to mix this around. You'll see how it ends up, but I will end up actually switching that around at the very end.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
So that love sign that is like the galvanized material that I got from Hobby Lobby last year, and then I used my red pillows from Christmas in there, and then my ho-ho sign actually from Christmas on my pillows, on my couch, not my pillows. And then I forgot that I had this red blanket, so I went ahead and put that in the middle of where my white blanket is, just to kind of add some more dimension. And then I have these love you, love is in the air, and I got those, I believe, from Ross last year. And so that's kind of how I went a little bit more than I normally do. I don't normally add as many pillows, so it makes it seem like there's a lot more in that room, but I really love the way that it turned out. I just have found the more I decorate, the more I like the more full look. I feel like I go through spurts. Probably next year I'll want it to be more simple, and some people might say this is simple, but I give the room a quick vacuum, and these are some of the afters of how it's turning out just after the initial decorating. I am going to go in towards the end and kind of switch things up. We're going to move on into the Hutch now though, and I have these little heart stems that I got from Hobby Lobby last year, so I'm going ahead and switching out my winter ones. Waverly was being my helper and took those from me. And then I'm going to add those and just kind of add in the, take out all the winter decorations, and then I'm going to add in all of the red and pink Valentine's decorations. You'll have to let me know in the comments if you decorate for Valentine's Day, do you decorate with more pink or with more red? I always think I want to decorate with more pink, but I feel like I always gravitate towards the more red Valentine's Day decorations. I don't really know why, but I love either. I kind of just mix and match. I think that it's fun to decorate with both. So that's kind of what I was doing on this day, and definitely trial and error. Didn't get all this on the first try, and I usually like to show in all of my decorating videos, if you've watched them, that I like to show that I don't get it on the first try, because decorating can be easy for sometimes, but for the most part I feel like you definitely just have to try different things to figure out how you like it the best.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I smooth like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my...
Definitely struggled with the bottom of this Hutch a little bit. I am now just realizing that I have a pink vase and a couple of other things that I can use that are like Valentine's-ish, or that I just use in like my everyday and like spring decorations. So I'll probably end up moving this around, and you'll just see it in one of my videos of just how it ends up turning out. But for the most part, I really love the way that this Hutch turned out. It's just very simple pops of Valentine's Day, nothing crazy. Now for my entryway table, I'm going ahead and adding this little heart sign that I got from, I believe, the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, I guess, and just adding in a few pops of Valentine's Day. I was gonna add this red, white, and pink garland, but I decided that it was too much, so you'll kind of see how I ended up adding in the Valentine's here.
Laid under the willow tree, the last weekend of summer, the empire at our fingertips, the autumn to discover. If I would have had the worthiness to be the perfect lover, would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Still I lie within a memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine? Find the right one when the time is right.
My kitchen island, I'm just using this same Magnolia table book that I have, and then I'm using this love sign from TJ Maxx, this little heart container. I think I got that from Hobby Lobby, and then the garland is also from Hobby Lobby, and I just added some of the little heart candies, and Waverly really likes that. Those are her little candies that she can have. And then for this area, I don't super love this area, but I just kept it simple. I just added my eat sign back and then a red heart and called it good. Before I finished cleaning the rest of the kitchen, I wanted to quickly tackle the dishes and clean out the sink really quick so that way that could be all clean. So when I got done decorating, I could have a nice, freshly clean and decorated house, and it felt so good to be able to do that. I also couldn't get my Stanley open, so I had to wait for my husband to get home to help me open that. So now moving on into this like L section of the counter, and I'm going to wipe it down, take that little frosted tree down, and then I'm going to add a little heart tray that I have that I think it was from the dollar store. I love shopping the Dollar Tree for Valentine's decorations. I feel like they have so many good options. And then I switched my little utensil thing to my red and like greenish one. I felt that was fitting. I thought about adding red candles, but I was like, that's gonna be, I think, a little bit too much. Let's just go more simple here in the kitchen. So that's what I ended up doing. And here in a second, you're gonna see I add a cute little red heart mug and then a really cute simple hand towel.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me.
I just quickly vacuumed up all the floors, that way I could have a nice clean house after decorating my house for Valentine's Day, and I absolutely love the way all of my decorations turned out this year. I'm going to go ahead and show you all of the afters of how everything turned out, and I did go ahead and just show all the afters of the changes that I made after the fact. So you're going to go ahead and see how everything turned out. I really am loving the way it turned out, and Waverly also loves how everything is. She likes to look at everything and point out all the different things of the decorations, and I think it's so fun to be able to do that. But I hope that you guys all enjoyed this video, and if you did, I would love for you to hit that thumbs up button so more people who maybe want to see more Valentine's decorating videos can see them. And if you would like to see more decorating videos, cleaning motivation, mom motivation, all that kind of stuff, I would love to have you subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you guys all in my very next video. Bye, you guys.